Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be installing this screen on a Subaru Forester. Now, I'm going to call this the WRX screen today. The reason being is because this screen was actually intentionally and first designed for the Subaru WRX. Now, this screen is suitable for many other alike dashboards like the Forester and the Liberty. We are going to go ahead and show you around this screen and install this one in today in a Forester. Let's go ahead and get this installed. It is a 10.8 inch screen with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. It's got a Qualcomm processor, which means it's really fast. Let's go ahead and do that. I'll take you through the wiring and how to get this screen installed. Let's go ahead. Now, we are installing on a Subaru Forester today, but this screen is suitable for your Subaru if your dashboard looks just like this. You've got the air vents here, the hazard light in a square, the enter, then you've got the AC controls. This screen, however, will sit from here to there. Let's go. I'm going to show you how to disassemble this type of dashboard, and then I'll take you through the screen and its wiring and where you need to connect those. Yes, you'll need a long screwdriver. I'm using an impact wrench in this instance and some dash removal tools. Okay, let's go ahead and start removing the dashboard. We're going to remove a few pieces here. We're going to remove a few pieces under the steering and remove the glove box in order to get to 2 screws behind this AC controller. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Just one pull like that. And then same thing here, just tug on that one. There we go. There will be 3 connectors at the back of this. You then want to pull this out of the way. Just pull it from the bottom, just like that. It's just on clips, so once you've removed that out of the way, there's a connector at the bottom of it. There we are, and then just put that out of the way. Okay, so you then need to remove the AC vents. You just need to get a dash removal tool and pry every bit slowly, and then you can go ahead and pull on it. There are 2 connectors that you must remove. You want to get it out of the way, and then there are 2 screws here. You want to remove those. Once you've removed the 2 screws just above the screen, we need to remove these 4 screws down here in order to move this dash piece and this dash piece. Remove this trim over here to expose 1 screw. Once you've removed this screw over here and the screw underneath, the glove box can easily come apart. You can remove it as a whole piece or just the 1 piece. There's 1 screw in here as well. You need to remove this piece, and then you can go ahead and remove the whole piece together, just like that. Once you've removed the glove box, you'll then expose 1 screw just over here, and then you'll need to do the same thing for the other side. To remove 1 more screw which sits in the steering area, you just need to pop this out and then remove the screw back here. So once you've removed the bolts on both sides and the bolts both down there from each side of the head unit, you want to go ahead and disconnect all the connectors from the head unit itself. Okay, here we are. So there's the Tesla-Style Screen, 10.8 inch. These are all the connectors for the screen. We have 2 connectors down here. This is most definitely the least tedious wiring I have seen in every unit that I've installed. It's fairly straightforward, very easy. Here we have the microphone. Connect to the back of the Tesla screen, connect the microphone here. Microphone, place it wherever you like on the dashboard. Antenna to strengthen the signal between your phone. 2 antennas, actually. 1 GPS. You don't need to connect this. This is optional and only is required if you want to use navigation on the screen itself, not through Apple CarPlay. You don't need to connect this if you're using navigation through CarPlay. USB ports connect to the screen. SIM card for internet connectivity. Aftermarket harness. This is for aftermarket subs and amps. You don't need to connect this if you have a factory amp or sub. This is for the reverse camera, and the main harness. All plug and play with your factory harnesses to the back of the screen. Let's go ahead and connect it all up. Okay, I've connected all the connectors in their applicable spots. Connect the main harness. This is the power and speaker harness, radio, factory reverse camera, and other accessories in the vehicle. Now you need to connect this reverse camera harness, connect this harness over here, parts to the back screen. There we go. And then connect this to the factory connector. Connect the CCDV with the other CCDV, just like that. This is the antenna. Connect the second part of the unit and connect these RCAs together, just like that. Factory reverse camera connected, and all these other white connectors fit in 1 spot with the factory connectors. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and just mount the unit. Don't forget to connect the bottom AC connector to the bottom of the Nifty City screen, right over here, so you can control the AC with the new buttons on the screen. Okay, wonderful. So there's about 5 connectors: factory reverse camera, radio antenna, power, speaker, and speaker. And there we go. Connect the 2 RCAs together and connect the CCTV with the reverse camera harness that's coming out here, and connect all the applicable ones to the screen. Mount the screen with the 2 clips just there. There we go. Mount it, and there we are. It's connected and it's good to go. Go ahead and boot up the car and see if it all turns on. Test the audio, factory reverse camera, the AC, and all the other features: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Test all these buttons, and then you're good to go from there. Okay, there we are. So the screen's in. I've powered it on. We'll try the AC. Works, wonderful. Volume. I'm not going to play any audio for copyright reasons. This is Apple CarPlay over here. I'll go ahead and connect the phone. Tap Bluetooth, and there's Apple CarPlay. Cool. Navigation as well. We'll try the factory reverse camera. Awesome, the factory reverse camera is there. You have the ambient light set, which is the color for the rotaries over here. You have auxiliary Bluetooth. You can see the factory reverse camera without having to engage into reverse with the gear shifter. You have car settings, general car settings, Apple CarPlay, Google Chrome. That's if you've connected hotspot or the SIM card, digital equalizer, onboard digital equalizer. You have file explorers, Gmail, and other apps, Netflix. You can download YouTube and all the other apps from Play Store directly. And then the factory radio, Sirius XM, and a whole lot of other apps. The job's done. I've put all the dash pieces back together except for the glove box. We're doing a bit of work there. If you're after one of these screens, go to www.niftycity.shop and you'll find yourself a screen there. It suits Subaru Liberties, Foresters, and Imprezas, WRX models and normal models. As long as your dash looks the same, it's suitable. Okay, I hope my video was helpful today, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on different vehicles, makes, models, and years. Take care now.